Hello friends, this is Sahiti here. Today we are going to discuss about some important GK questions. Which disease is caused by bacteria and spread through fecal matter by houseflies? Answer is typhoid. Who is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha? Answer is Vice President. Which colloids are solvent loving colloids? Answer is lyophilic. Among the Union territories of India, which one has the largest size? Answer is Pondicherry. During which reign was the Purana Killa constructed? Answer is Sher Shah. Which Australian player was known as Fruit Fly among the rest of the team? Answer is Merv Hughes. Which type of unemployment mostly found in India? Answer is disguised. What is a glass-sided tank bowl in which aquatic animals live? Answer is aquarium. Where are Shevorai Hills located? Answer is Tamil Nadu. By whom was the Sikh Khalsa founded? Answer is Guru Gobind Singh. Under which act was the Supreme Court set up? Answer is Regulating Act. The resistance of material increases with temperature. What is this? Answer is metal. Praveen Amre and Vinod Kambli played for which province in South Africa? Answer is Boland. Kodaikanal, the famous hill station of South India, is situated on which hills? Answer is Falni Hills. On 13th April of which year Guru Gobind Singh established Khalsa? Answer is 1999. The Olympic Museum was opened at which place? Answer is Lausanne. The word biodiversity is a combination of which two words? Answer is biology and diversity. Which judge of Supreme Court was unsuccessfully sought to be impeached? Answer is Justice Ramaswamy. Which relates to the formation of the Himalayas? Answer is folding of the geosyncline. Who was known as Lady with Lamp? Answer is Florence Nightingale. Which Indian origin immigrants became the governor of Louisiana province of the USA in 2007? Answer is Bobby Jindal. From which part of the plant is turmeric obtained? Answer is stem. In order of their distances from the sun, which planet lie between Mars and Uranus? Answer is Jupiter and Saturn. Which Rajput dynasties did not surrender to Akbar? Answer is Sisodiya. Which is used as a coolant in nuclear reactors? Answer is liquid sodium. What type of right is right to information? Answer is fundamental right. What does M3 include? Answer is M1 plus TD. Comets revolve around which body? Answer is Sun. Where was Shivaji crowned as an independent king? Answer is Raigarh. Meghnad Saha is known for his contribution in which field? Answer is physics. Which part of cinchona plant yields quinine? Answer is bark. Which right conferred by the Constitution of India is also available to non-citizens? Answer is freedom to speech. Which layer of the earth is believed to have the heaviest mineral materials of highest density? Answer is central core. Which saint name is associated with Shivaji? Answer is Ramdas. Liquefied petroleum gas consists of mainly which gases? Answer is methane, butane and propane. Kandla, situated on the Gulf of Kutch, is well known for which purpose? Answer is export processing zone. Which Mahatma Gandhi series of currency notes issued by the RBI has ecology depicted on it? Answer is rupees 100. The mapping of which part of earth is most difficult? Answer is interior of the earth. By whom was island of Bombay was given to the English Prince Charles II as dowry? Answer is Portuguese. The Maratha power reached its zenith during which Peshwaship? Answer is Balaji II. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe.